I want to do a quick chat about returning excess weight to the universe. Yeah, if you want to lose a little bit of weight. What I want to tell you is that the secret weapon here is the entire process of returning that weight to the universe is 2 words long. Eat consciously. Eat consciously. That's it. Okay. There's a lot of paraphernalia that can go around it, but if you focus on that, you're already there. Yeah. So people often eat for the wrong reasons. They don't eat because they're hungry. They eat because they wish to change the way they feel. There is a sort of a comfortable delusion going on, a boredom that needs to be lifted, a feeling that needs to be scratched or removed. And the idea is, well, if you eat something or drink something, you can change your mood and ta-da. Yeah. That is completely unnecessary. The other thing is having a sort of a story, a quasi-fixed idea inside of yourself as to what it is that you can eat that will change that feeling. Yeah. And so people tend to reach for sugary drinks or cakes or something high in salt and fat and sugar, even though we know at a deeper level what it is that we really, really want to eat or drink. Yeah. So the whole purpose of eat consciously is to notice, first of all, to calibrate. Am I really hungry? Or do I wish to change my feelings? If I'm really hungry, let's give myself 5 minutes. What is it that I really would like? Now, if you really, really, really would like a cake, fine. Yeah, there are no forbidden fruits here. But really, really consider it, because what I've noticed in actual fact is that most sugary things are not as satisfying as you think they are. It's just that you expect to get a quick hit from them. So give yourself a few minutes. And maybe if you want to look after yourself and treat yourself, maybe you go and get it, whatever it is. Yeah. But don't make it a knee-jerk reaction. Make it a conscious choice. And then when you eat it, really, really enjoy it. Really, really enjoy it. Consciously, really, really savor what it is that you're eating. Slow down your eating. Notice the textures, the flavors, everything about it. And when you're full, stop eating. All of that is simply paying attention to what it is that you're putting into your mouth. Yeah? Conscious eating. That's it. You can turn it into a meditative process if you choose to do so. You can make it a sort of a way of looking after yourself. But the end result is that you'll start to calibrate when you're really, really hungry or not, what it is that you want. Are you genuinely feeding the inner person, or are you trying to scratch away one emotion and replace it with another? Eat consciously. That's it. If you're interested, contact me about that, because this is the sort of thing that you can go far with 2 words. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.